Hello, good afternoon. This is why CRS 2018 past question. Question number 40 says, how was the scripture in which Jesus laid secured by the chief priest? That is, where Jesus was actually buried. Where Jesus was buried. So how was this secure? What was used to rope the place? What was used to tie up the place, and so and so that all the items involves in the burial of Jesus Christ. A. Fixing a stone door and a lock. B. Rolling a ruin rock to the entrance. C. Setting a guide of Roman soldiers. D. Sealing the stone and setting a guide. The correct option here is option B. That is, a stone was rolled there. A stone was rolled. This we also know it to be wound, and at the entrance of where he was actually buried, so it was thrown to that place. So for more information, we find this in the book of Matthew 27 verse 60. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.